Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. And y'all, I tag Mask Monday ladies, Mask Monday friends, and Mask Monday so you can find other channels that do Mask Monday. Lots of us do Mask Monday, and we ask that you join us as well. Even if you don't have a channel, you can do this at home. So I am wearing this mask. I just received this from one of my wonderful subscribers, Betty Vick, in recent friend mail. And you might see that the lovely smudge started chewing on it. So before I got a chance to put it into the drawer, so I've got to do it because it's perfectly saturated. I was worried it would dry out. So I did open it up, and this is Tony Moly. This is a favorite mask. Tony Moly brand is a favorite. Their masks are very wonderfully saturated, and the essence is wonderful, and they usually fit very, very nice. And I look like a kitty cat. Who doesn't love that? So this one is called Cat's Perfect Brightening Eye Mask. So I thought I would do that, and I don't want it to go to waste because of these holes. Smudge has a problem where he chews on plastic. There's a name for that. I just can't think of it at this very second. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I have a few things to talk about. Y'all, last Monday, my Mask Monday video, I showed you some volumizing products because I had been asked by a few of you all to let you know what I like as far as volumizing products go. And I did tell you that, you know, there's a lot of products out there that don't even say the word volume on them, but they do give you volume, and texture is a good word to look for. And I forgot to show you one of my favorites. This is Fat Boy. Fat Boy brand. It's a great hair care brand. I was introduced to Fat Boy, I'm almost positive, through FabFitFun, but I could tell you it might have even been through Boxycharm before Boxycharm merged with Ipsy, but I'm thinking it's FabFitFun. I have a tube, a metal tube of like a, you know, y'all remember VO5 or something, because I get some flyaways up here that I can use. And it's this brand. So when I saw this brand as it says Tousle and Go texture spray, I thought I would try it. I don't think this came in a box without me picking it. I might have chose it from the shop. See, I've had it for a while and it's almost gone, but I use it from time to time. It says part hairspray, part texturizer, all the grit, lift, and hold needed for an undone look that lasts. Okay, so it's supposed to make your hair look tousled. It really does give you some oomph if you need it. So great brand for hair care is Fat Boy. And I got in the mail, y'all, I told you a while ago about my experience with Pinch Me. Now, some people love Pinch Me, and you know, kudos to them if they can handle it, because I cannot handle all the hoops and you know, traps you got to get through to get anywhere with it. I did join it recently again, and it is a lot. It's very much changed. It's very different. It's easier to follow, but and every day you can apply for something, but all the work I had to do for little gain. And I ended up getting, or winning, if you will, whatever the right word is, 4 or 5 boxes, and I got 1 box. And the others I still haven't received. And I did send them a message on Instagram, and they said that they're a good 6 to 9 months behind on boxes. So I never expected to see another one ever again, because I stopped doing Pinch Me, but I got one. And this must be a combination of a couple, because it's a little on the heavy side. I did open it up. I haven't looked in there yet. But it is, for me, it's just not worth it. I got, in giving them my information, I have gotten like 50 to 100 plus phone calls a day. And they call before 8 a.m. and they call after 9 p.m., which I thought was illegal. So there's just, I'm not happy to give them my information. So anyway, this is Pinchers. Show us some love. Oh, they want you to share this on social media, which I probably won't do. I mean, I'm doing it on YouTube and that's it, because I just want to show you what's in there. So these are things that I have applied for. And when, you know, you'll go in and you can apply for a candy bar, and you can apply for a stick that you put in water that hydrates, and you can apply for a Kate Spade purse, things like that. I never have been granted the high-staked items. I only get granted the little junky stuff. So, okay, I just emptied that out. And there is a good bit in here, so let's see what I got. This is a little card. The #1 product discovery platform is Pinch Me, it says. So that's a little card there. They did send a HelloFresh 17 free meals. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 11 items. So that is like 2 different bags. So here, 2 different boxes. You get points, and then you spend your points on getting it shipped to you. So you never actually give them money, but then you have only so much time to use your points, and then your points expire. So that's part of the problem. So I did get this. See what I mean? This is just what I was talking about. This is Ultima 6 Essential Electrolytes in Strawberry Margarita, and it's the Daily Electrolyte Drink Mix. So this is a non-sugar, so sometimes those bother me. If it's a fake sugar, it can give me a headache. So I don't know if I'll try this, or I might pass it on to somebody. I also got that. Now, some things I don't recognize. Most you would recognize because you applied for it, but this I don't recognize. This is Dear Body Hand Sanitizer Gel Antibacterial. So that's a nice little antibacterial gel. Here comes blue. I don't think it's sealed. It's not sealed. That's a nice little container. It's got a good bit in there to try. Blue, you're moving things. He's sitting on the wire for the ring stand. Anyway, so nice little sanitizer. We got, this is Deep Hydration Hair Mask. This is Keratin Care, it says. It's the brand JIESSIA. Jessa. Deep Hydration Hair Mask. Moisturizing, smooth and nourish. Improve overall scalp health and nourish your hair roots. And it does say free trial, and it's 15 mLs. And I don't remember applying for that because I don't usually use stuff like that. So let's see, did I get, I got 2 of these strawberry. Okay, so that's nice. Getting 2 is nice. Now this is nice. This I remember applying for because I like this. This is Neutrogena. This is a wipe, a makeup remover wipe. Neutrogena makeup remover wipes are very, very nice. They're big. They're very, very nice. And this is just a single. So you can carry it with you, take a travel, whatever. It's a nice little one to have. You know, sometimes it's just nice to have this in your purse in case you're out and about all day long and you just need to refresh your face or something, you know. It's nice to have something like that. Next we have this. This is Tukuma, Ecos Tukuma. This is just a little sachet, and it's lotion. See, I think it's body lotion. Anti-signs of aging for your body's skin. 77% hyaluronic acid. So I know that I've had this brand before. I think I've had a cream from them and it's very nice. I think we got it from Walmart. So, I'll probably use that. If I put it on my legs and arms, it'll be gone, one-time use, but at least then you know if you like it, if you want to buy it, We have, this is something, full size of something. This is CMAADU, liquid matte lipstick in a brand that I don't know. Seeing if there's anything more about it. I think it's Korean Beauty. It's a liquid matte. I already said that part. Okay. Let's see what it looks like in there. It's a nice little box. And then here it is. It is red. Liquid matte. I'm not going to open it, y'all, because I have too many reds. And this is like this is the orangey kind of red that I don't really go for. But it looks nice. Well, I can open it and I'll just pass it on to somebody. It's a doe foot. I figured it would be. It smells a little like cherry. It's sort of nice. But I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to just give it to a friend. Because it's just a no-name thing, so I don't want to put it in a giveaway or anything. And plus, I just opened it, so. Then we have, this is shrink wrapped. This is nice that it's shrink wrapped. This is Moisture Honey Peach Hand Cream. The brand is Allure, A-L-I-V-E-R. So like Oliver, but instead of an O, it's an A. Allure. So shrink wrap, which is nice. Very pretty packaging with the peach on there. Honey Peach Hand Cream, Protect and Repair. Let's see what that looks like. It's a nice size. That's very pretty. You know, great, perfect for your purse. Honey Peach Moisturizing Hand Cream. Okay, I'm sure it's sealed. Yep, it is. I can't smell anything. But this is really nice to throw in a gift, you know, a shopping bag, you know, you got someone's birthday or something, they can throw that in their purse. Very nice. And I've got two more things. This is a sheet mask, Zozu, and it is an avocado collagen essence facial mask. Avocado extract formula, care for beautiful skin. So I've seen this brand before, Zozu, and I think on Temu, and there it is, a nice mask. This eye mask I to keep on 15 to 30 minutes. I think I forgot to say it. Oh, I said I had two more things, but I mean one more thing, but I have two. This will be fun. This I'll probably eat here shortly. I got a Golden Grams snack. Is a s'mores treat. General Mills chocolate marshmallow. 120 calories. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's a breakfast bar. It looks like maybe it's just a treat. Let's see if I can. Well, you know, it has Golden Grams cereal, so I guess it is a breakfast bar. It just looks awfully sweet. Marshmallows, chocolate, you know, a lot going on. I wouldn't think it would be healthy for breakfast. And it's expired. July 31, 2024. So thank you, pinch me for that. And then the last thing is another no-name item. This is a lip maximizer. It says it shows a syringe with a needle. Kiss Beauty lip maximizer, collagen active. So this is Korean beauty. I think it's just saying that. Did I just see that? Korean, made in Korea. Maybe I just made that up. I thought I saw that, but no, I don't see it. Okay. Let's see what it looks like in the box. Let's see. So it's a lip plumper, you know. I'm not too big into lip plumpers. So this is what she looks like. It's just clear. So you would put this maybe under your lipstick. Does it say? It shows that you're just putting it on lips, and in 5 minutes your lips would be plump. Lip gloss plumping. So it's a gloss, so I think you could put this over your lipstick. Collagen active, it says. Collagen active. So, it doesn't say, I don't know where it's made. Anyway, I'm not gonna try that either, because I don't like, see, these are things that I don't remember picking. A couple of these things I picked. But every day they send you an email, and then, you know, they say, you know, we have this you can apply for. And then you may or may not be granted it. And every day you do it, and then you do it, you know, and eventually you get 5 or 6 items, and then they say you're gonna lose them unless you buy them. So you have to do all this crazy stuff to get points to be enough to buy the box to get it shipped to you. And that's when you give out your address, you give out your phone number, and then you are bombarded with junk mail, junk phone calls. So it just wasn't worth it to me. So there's, you know, I like the mask, I like the hand cream, I like the only name brand thing in here is a Neutrogena. Oh well, these Ultima, these are nice. Oh, there's cranberry Cosmo and strawberry margarita. These I know are nice. Oh, the Golden Grams, it's expired. Everything else is like Korean beauty that you'd get from Temu maybe. This is a name brand, this little thing. They'll be gone in a minute. So that's what I got from Pinch Me, and was that worth me having 2 months worth of phone calls nonstop, constant, like I had to turn my phone off because I couldn't take it anymore? No, it's not worth it to me. So I have dropped it. I'm not doing it anymore. This looks like maybe this will be maybe it's $3 worth. Maybe they're done with me because I think they owed me 3 boxes, maybe 4. I don't care if I get the other stuff or not. I'm not happy with Pinch Me, and but you'll see there's many people that are. So if you want to do it, go ahead and do it. Just my advice is I would not ever recommend it personally. So y'all do what you need to do. Before I go, let me tell you about my collab. It is the Temu Holiday Haul, and in this collab is Favorites with Laura, Reviews with Sue, Katie's Corner of the World, Miss Jackie Russell, Carol Gardner, Tea Time Adventures, Nona's Here, which is Teddy, Hauling It with Mima, which is Tammy and me. And y'all, it's a 2-week collab. It started this weekend on Saturday, and we had a lot of fun doing it, and we hope that you enjoy it. And of course, we're doing giveaways. So 9 channels, 9 giveaways, and you have to be subscribed to all 9 channels, and you have to comment on all 9 videos, and you have to be publicly subscribed. So please, if you don't know what that means, ask us. We'd be happy to help you with that. And just want to tell you all about that. So have a wonderful week and count your blessings, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.